How do you fix a file that won't delete in Windows 10 or Windows 11? It could be because the file is currently open in another program, or because you don't have the required permissions. In this video, we'll look at 3 methods that can solve the problem. The first thing to try is simply restarting your computer. A reboot forcefully closes all running processes, including any that may have become stuck while using the file.
Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Hello, IT. Yeah, have you tried turning it off and on again?
If you don't want to restart your PC, there's a more advanced solution. Open Resource Monitor. You can simply type Resource Monitor into the Start menu search and launch it. Here you'll see all currently running processes. Locate the associated handles section. If it's collapsed, expand it. Then use the search handles box and enter the name of the file you're trying to delete. In my case, the file is called 1111.docs. As you can see, Resource Monitor shows that the file is currently being used by Microsoft Word. Next, open Task Manager. Find Microsoft Word in the list of processes. Or switch to the Details tab, locate winword.exe, right-click it, and select End Task. Once the process is terminated, you'll be able to delete the file. In many cases, though, you won't even need Resource Monitor because the Windows error message already tells you which program is using the file. If the process using the file is Windows Explorer, which happens quite often, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, explorer.exe, and instead of ending the task, click Restart. Your screen will briefly flicker while Windows restarts File Explorer, including the desktop and taskbar. After that, try deleting the file again. The third method is changing the file's permissions. If Windows displays an access denied error when deleting a file, right-click the file, choose Properties, open the Security tab, and click Advanced. The owner should normally be your user account or the administrators group. If you see a different owner, which can happen after reinstalling Windows or moving a drive to another computer, click Change. Administrator privileges will be required. Click Advanced, then find Now, and select either your own account or the administrators group. Click OK, then OK again. The owner of the file or folder has now been changed to the administrators group, which includes your account. In some cases, it also helps to disable inherited permissions. Click Disable Inheritance, then choose to convert inherited permissions into explicit permissions. This creates individual permission entries for the file, allowing you to configure them directly. Click Apply, then OK. Now, back on the Security tab, select either your user account or the administrators group, click Edit, and grant yourself full control by checking the appropriate box. After that, you'll have complete access to the file, including the ability to delete it. As you can see, you don't need any third-party software to solve this problem. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one utility to clean, optimize, and speed up your Windows PC, check out our PC No Problem software. You can download and try it from our official website at pcnp.com. You'll also find more videos on this channel explaining how it works and what it can do. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, post a comment, and share it with someone who's always having computer problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.